it's me again, Janet, and welcome back to my channel. So today, this is our day 2 here in San Diego. Ano ba yan? Nagbablog akong ingay-ingay ng po***. Yun o? Siya na lang kaya mag-vlog. So we're here. We checked in here in Spring Hill Suites, Bayfront in San Diego. So this is our day 2 now. Mamaya na guys, utangin na kasi yung kasama ko. Parang siya yung nagbablog. Yeah. So here's the lobby of the Spring Hill Suite. Here is the lobby and here's the candy cane. Mag-ready na yan for pictorial. Ano ba? Kita nyo guys, ako walang iyaan. Pumuesto lang. Saan ka te? Para kang nasaan?
Yes, sa Tondo. Sa Visoria. Sa Binondo, China.
Maganda naman dito. Malinis.
Malinis, makinis.
Sobrang init guys. Napakainit guys. Napakainit. So we're here at the front of the USSmidway. I've been living here in San Diego for like more than 2 years. But this is the first time that I get a chance na makapunta dito. Look at that guys. So big. Now open, kids free. This is USSmidway Museum. San Diego's #1 attraction. Guys, hindi ko alam ang history nito, pero meron namang Google na pwede nyo i-Google. I'm just showing you around USSmidway, how big it is inside. We'll see how big it is because we're going inside the museum. So guys, we're here na in USSmidway. Welcome aboard!
Sinakpan yung kilikili.
Kasi naman, baka madismaya yung mga subscribers.
Okay. Welcome aboard!
We always think of our safety pa rin. We wear masks, we sanitize all the time. Distancing.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the entrance of the museum. You want to have an audio tour? Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and grab one.
These are all sanitized and disinfected.
Yeah, sanitized and washed.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So they have this thing for free audio tour. So if you'll see, I'll tell you later. Ito yung ina-explain niya kanina. You just have to press, see? And you just have to listen to it. So it will explain to you what they did with this aircraft. So they have these souvenirs here. See? USSmidway. But this is Under Armour. San Diego Midway. CV41. Tagal ni ate Si Madam Catriona namimili ng ano.
Sawadika.
Namimili ng kanyang ano. Souvenir. So upon entering you'll see this. Oy te, baka siya yung tagal mo lang nawawalang juwain.
Ang mukha niya.
See that Battle of Midway. There's Midway University din pala. Picturean mo ako dito. That's how it looks like. Grabe.
Amazing!
This is
This is the Titanic.
1930 International.
So this is the Titanic.
Titanic. Oh, this is how it looks like before.
USSmidway.
Down. Ito yung lahat ng ginamit. I'm just touring you around, guys. Sayang ang gluta ko dito ah.
Tata mo. Tapos si Kuya. Ayun.
Oh, di ba? Ang taas. Grabe, this is how the roof deck looks like. How big this how big this this truck. Ate, ayun yung Coronado Island oh. Ayun yung Coronado Island, yung daanan na yon. Ang ganda dito sa taas, guys. Oh. Ay, dito tayo bababa na. Ayan, guys. Nasayang ang gluta ko dito sa lakad na to.
The sailor kissing the over there. Ay, pwede pala tayo mag-kayaking.
Oh, sayang.
Kasama yun sa binayaran natin. Ay, naman, no?
Kasama ba?
Oo.
Mukha mo.
Nakalagay doon.
Yung kayak?
Oo, kaya-kaya natin yan.
Kaya kasama daw yung kayak na yun.
There it is. Fucking sailor.
Galit na galit eh. Akala namin, guys, eto mahirap yung katangahan minsan
Ay,
eh.
Philippines.
Where is the Philippines?
Mapa, Republic of the Philippines.
Where?
Ayan o.
Ayun nga, Look, guys. Oh, diba? Republic of the Philippines Presidential Unit Citation awarded to Task Unit. Ay, naku, guys. Pagod na akong kalalakad.
Hindi totoo yan.
Actually, nangihinayang ako sa aking glutathione.
At sa $26.
At 28?
At 26?
26 ba?
At 28 yung cruise.
Oo nga pala. Oh, $2 lang, te.
Oo
Diyos
nga.
ko. Eh, ang gusto lang naman namin makapag-picture dito. Sarap sana dyan, meron kang kahalikan, no? Meron kahalikan, magpapapicture ka doon. Yung re-reenact nyo yung yan. Kaso wala eh. Hoy, pwede ba doon tayo kumain, no? The fish market, seafood market and restaurant.
Naku, mahal dyan. Tayo, kailangan ko to.
Visit kasama to. May nagpa-picture sa kanya, galit na siya. Kasi paulit-ulit na.
Bibili?
Ayan, ganyan siya, oh. Oh, pero pag sa Hudson yan ginawa, galit na galit. Oh, kita nyo, walang hiya. Ganyan maghanap ng maganda, ganyan paano maghanap ng maganda.
Ano na ba yung ano?
Diyos ko, makakapasok ba tayo sa pool o hindi? Ano ba?
Wait lang! Nahanap ko pa yung ano.
We can get into the pool if we don't have our room key. So I got it. Saan tayo? Isa tayo dito. Saan ba sa gitna?
Tapos, muna tayo sa
Shoo! Magsiswimming na kami, guys. Samahan nyo kami mag-swimming. So we need to get towels. You have to sanitize your hands first. So they also have this na pwede nyo i-clean. They also have this na pwede nyo i-clean yung... Hi! Hindi mo muna kinlean yan. So we'll just have to leave it there. Hi! Asan ang... Asan ang mask mo? Let me try. Let me try first. Ayaw nga warm ang tubig. Si Jezebel, oh. Solong-solo ang ano. Solong-solo. Ay, gumaganong-ganong pa si ate, oh. Ay! Ang bumbunan mo na wala ng buhok. So now, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Nagutom kami. Pinag-uusapan namin kung ano yung kakainin namin. Gusto ko maglakad. Maghanap ng makakain. Maghanap ng makakain, tapos nakatingin. Bakit ikaw doon nakatingin sa kabila?
Kung makita.
Naghahanap tayo ng makakain, bakit yun ang tinitingnan mo?
Oh,
Ay, nako. Nakaka-relax lang na mag-stay dito sa by the pool. Kasi kami lang talaga yung... Kasi kami lang talaga yung tao kanina.
Oo, ngayon.
Dali na, mag-dip ka na doon.
Ayoko na. Patuloy na nga.
Ligo na tayo. Kana, let's go. We're
Ligo
going
ka
up
na.
na. We're going back to
Tayo.
our room na. Hindi ka talaga maliligo? Lintik ka? Mangangati ka, te.
Hindi ako nangangati.
Hi, guys! I guess that's it for today, guys. So, kanina nagpunta kami ni Candy sa USSmidway. Which, na-disappoint kami pareho. So now, magpapahinga na kami. O, lights out na. Ito na lang, youth living ang naka-on. Ayun na siya. Good night, Nate!
Bye! Good night!
Okay, so we hope you like our vlog for today. And I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Again, see you on my next vlog. Ang pangit ng ano ko.